Hey guys, Stavros from Nomadic Supply Company, and today I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of how we finish the Terrawagen Tidy Trim Sprinter trim kits. So this is the largest piece of the Tidy Trim kit. These go in the back of a Sprinter, up the C-pillars, and then across the top of the rear doors to trim out all of that nightmare area back there that's really hard to finish. So this kit is one of the three pieces, and we cover ours with four-way stretch tweed, but you can use any fabric that's four-way stretch to get over, the complex shapes of the plastic. So basically, the steps are measure out your plastic pieces and then add about an inch to each end. So in this case, this is about 72 inches long. We're going to cut about 73, 74 inches of fabric, just so we have enough so that when it curves, it makes it around all the corners and then folds over the tops and bottoms of the pieces. When you're cutting a lot of fabric in a Sprinter, it's good to have one of these electric fabric cutters. We use these for Thinsulate, and we use them for fabric, and we use them for our aluminum low E insulation that we put in the vans as well. So, I'll show you how these fabric cutters work. It's a lot easier than scissors, and you get a much straighter line. Once you have your fabric cut, we adhere it to the plastic with 3M 94 spray adhesive. This is the low VOC version, which is the low volatile organic compound version. You don't want to use the other version. It's much more toxic. This is still toxic, but it's the lowest amount of VOC that you can get. Just look for the low VOC label. You're going to want to wear a mask to protect yourself from the vapors from this while you're doing this project. So once you have your fabric ready, we recommend spraying a light coating of 3M94 over the back of this and a light coating onto the plastic piece itself, and then give it about 30 to 60 seconds for it to set before you apply the fabric. I'm going to jump to a time lapse and show you how that works. All right, so after about 10 minutes per piece, I've got the tweed fully applied to the trim kit. You can see how it looks when it's finished. You want to make sure that because it's tweed, it has a vertical and horizontal weave in it. So you want to make sure that you're really careful to keep that weave perfectly level, both vertically and horizontally, so that when you put these pieces in the back of the van, they look like they're finished from the factory. So with the rear trim kit, it's 3 pieces. You can expect that to take you about a half hour to 45 minutes to finish. The tweed gets wrapped around all the sides evenly, as you can see. And then where you have the holes for the screws to apply the trim kit to the back of the C-pillars, we recommend just using a soldering iron. And the heat of the soldering iron, you can go right through the fabric, through the hole where the screws go, and it'll actually just seal the fabric and give you like a perfect hole for those screws to go into. So I will put links to our Terrawagen rear door trim kit below the video, and thanks for watching.